Hi, this is Sonamash. Today I will show you about uh, tutorials about room locking. You see, I already opened the program. Put in the ID and put in the password. We put in the password. Then you log it in. It says log in here. No, get some rooms here. You must get some rooms. Going to get some rooms here in Philippines. Okay, goes. I will choose in Metro Manila Barcada. Mm, Maybe choose in 3. Okay, use. Then join. You type in the CAPTCHA verification code. Click and send. And here in Crackers, as you can see, 23 names. Here, you must look some passwords. Okay, passy here. As you can see, I have both passwords. You may choose in the servers. You can choose config, and you can choose all, or you can choose ISP. You choose config 41, and you choose all. It's 2616. I will choose in I1 or ISP, or I will choose in all. Then you can. This is a multi-tools. Here's the servers. So you can transfer servers to crackers. Password changers, and the IDs, if it's cracked, it will goes in here. Okay, I will again get some rooms, maybe MMB4, use this and join, and 66 JWJL8, and click and send. And let's agree, I have 23 here. It goes. Name is 23, and you can get again. You can send in 5. Okay, use, join, 3MG, FJM. Then click on send, and 23 is here. Okay, and as you can see here, you will start cracking. There it goes, it's cracking here. I see good servers here. There it goes. This is one I'm signing out. Just teaching you how to make a room cracking. Bye.